Welcome, everyone. The greatest power you possess is the power of the spoken word. Every word that leaves your lips carries within it the force of creation. When you declare, you set in motion an unseen current that shapes your reality. The world is merely a reflection of what you continuously affirm about yourself. You have spoken limitations over yourself for far too long. You have declared obstacles into existence without even realizing it. I'm not good enough. I always struggle. Nothing ever works for me. And so it has been because your words have decreed it. But what happens when you shift? When you speak blessings instead, when you affirm, I am favored, I am unstoppable, everything I desire flows to me with ease, reality bends. The world rearranges itself to reflect the new image you hold. Speak not of what is, but of what is becoming. Do not describe lack, declare abundance. Do not acknowledge weakness, affirm strength. Feel the weight of your own words as you proclaim, I am powerful, I am chosen, I am worthy of every good thing. And the moment you do, life itself will conspire in your favor. The doors you once thought were locked will open. The chains you believed were unbreakable will fall, because the world does not resist one who speaks with authority. So from this moment forward, refuse to utter defeat. Refuse to align with doubt. Speak only of what uplifts, empowers, and transforms. Speak blessings upon yourself and watch how your life changes before your very eyes. Every word that escapes your lips carries the weight of creation. Words are not mere sounds. They are vibrational forces that shape the very fabric of your reality. When you speak, you are either. Consider this: the thoughts you entertain become the words you speak, and the words you speak become the life you live. If you constantly declare, I am struggling, struggle will manifest. If you say, I am always overlooked, life will continue to reflect that belief back to you. Your words are not just expressions of your present state, they are the architects of your future. The subconscious mind does not differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. It simply accepts what you repeatedly affirm. When you speak words of power, confidence, and success, your mind begins to align with those declarations. The world responds by rearranging itself to match the frequency of your spoken words. Look at history, at those who have transformed their lives. They did not speak in terms of limitations. They declared their vision boldly. They spoke their dreams into existence as if they were already real, and in time, their reality conformed to their words. So what are you speaking over your life? Are you affirming success, or are you unknowingly cursing yourself with words of doubt? Speak as if what you desire is already yours, and watch as life reshapes itself to reflect your declarations. Your words are the brushstrokes of the masterpiece that is your life. Paint wisely. Every word you speak over yourself is either a blessing or a curse. There is no in-between. You are constantly setting the course of your life by what you affirm, whether consciously or unconsciously. Your words act as seeds planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious, and whatever you plant will grow. When you declare strength, success, and abundance, you are aligning yourself with the energy of prosperity. You are commanding life to bring forth opportunities, favor, and breakthroughs. But when you speak doubt, fear, and failure, you are casting shadows over your own path, unknowingly creating obstacles where none existed before. How often have you said, "I'm not good enough, nothing ever works out for me," or "I'll never get what I want"? These words are not harmless, they are commands. Your subconscious takes them as truth and works tirelessly to make them a reality. But the same law applies when you speak life over yourself. When you say, "I am powerful, I am worthy, everything flows in my favor," you set in motion a new reality where these words must be fulfilled. Your destiny is shaped not by chance, but by the declarations you make daily. Speak blessings, and you will walk in them. Speak curses, and you will live under their weight. Choose wisely, for your words will either build your future or destroy it. Your mind is always listening. Every word you whisper to your subconscious, it does not argue, it does not question, it simply, your subconscious mind is like fertile soil, and whatever seeds you plant through your self-talk will take root and grow into the reality you experience. If you constantly tell yourself, "I am not good enough, I always fail, life is hard," your subconscious mind will absorb these statements as absolute truths and work tirelessly to make them your reality. You will unconsciously sabotage opportunities and reinforce your own limitations, because that is what you have instructed your mind to do. But the reverse is also true. If you repeatedly affirm, "I am successful, everything works in my favor, I am confident and unstoppable," your subconscious will accept these as reality and begin shaping your experiences accordingly. You will find yourself making better decisions, attracting new opportunities, and stepping into a life that reflects your inner conviction. The key is consistency. A single affirmation will not override years of negative programming, but repeated intentional self-talk rewires your subconscious. Over time, what once felt impossible becomes effortless. And the person you were always meant to become. You are always in conversation with yourself. Make sure that conversation is leading you toward the life you desire. Your words and imagination are the creative forces that shape your reality. When you speak, you are not merely describing your current circumstances, you are shaping what is to come. But the true power lies in aligning your speech with your imagination, in speaking as if your desire, everything you want, exists first in the unseen before it manifests in the physical. When you speak as if you already have what you desire, you are imprinting this reality onto your subconscious mind. Your mind, in turn, begins to accept it as truth, influencing your emotions, actions, and even the way the world responds to you. Consider the difference between saying, I will be successful and I am successful. The first statement pushes your desire into the future, always just out of reach. The second statement claims it now, commanding reality to rearrange itself in your favor. When you speak in the present tense, your subconscious mind recognizes no separation between what is imagined and what is real. It begins working immediately to bridge the gap. This is why those who consistently affirm their success, wealth, or happiness seem to attract it effortlessly. They are not hoping or wishing, they are living in the certainty of its reality. They see it, feel it, speak it, and as a result, it becomes their truth. Align your words with the vision you hold. Speak as if you already are the person you wish to become. Feel the joy, confidence, and certainty as if it were already done. When imagination and speech move in harmony, manifestation becomes inevitable. Your words hold power, but their true force is unlocked when they are spoken with faith. It is not enough to merely recite affirmations. You must believe in what you are declaring. The combination of belief and spoken word creates an unstoppable force that shapes your reality. Faith is the bridge between the unseen and the seen. When you declare something with conviction, whether it is success, abundance, health, or love, you activate unseen forces that begin working in your favor. But if you speak your desires while secretly doubting them, you send mixed signals creating resistance instead of flow. Consider this: when a person speaks with unwavering faith, the world adjusts to accommodate their belief. They walk with confidence, act in alignment with their vision, and attract the very things they affirm. Their faith fuels their actions, and their actions reinforce their faith, creating a cycle of manifestation. On the other hand, those who speak words of doubt, I hope it happens, maybe one day, I don't know if I can, block their own blessings. Their words lack certainty, and so does their reality. The universe does not respond to hesitation, it responds to conviction. Speak your desires with faith. Declare them as already done. Feel the truth of your words as if they are undeniable. The moment you remove doubt and fully trust in your spoken declarations, manifestation is no longer a possibility, it is a certainty. Your life is a reflection of the words you consistently speak. If you find yourself trapped in cycles of struggle, disappointment, or lack, look no further than the language you use daily. The words you speak, whether consciously or unconsciously, are either reinforcing old limitations or breaking you free into a new reality. Many people unknowingly keep themselves stuck by repeating words of defeat. I'm not lucky. Things never work out for me. I'll always struggle. These statements are not harmless. They are self-imposed curses. They shape the way you think, feel, and act, creating a life that mirrors the very limitations you declare. The more you speak them, the deeper they become ingrained in your subconscious, making it harder to see opportunities or believe in a better future. But you have the power to break these cycles. How? By shifting your language, by refusing to speak what is wrong and instead declaring what is right. Replace words of defeat with words of victory. Everything is working in my favor. I am powerful beyond measure. I always attract success and abundance. At first, your mind may resist. Years of negative programming don't disappear overnight, but the more you declare victory, confidence, and success, the more your subconscious will accept these truths, your beliefs will shift, your actions will follow, and soon your reality will transform. The cycle of limitation ends the moment you decide to speak differently. From this moment forward, refuse to use your words to keep yourself stuck. Speak only of what empowers, uplifts, and expands, and watch as your life rises to match the new reality you declare. Every word you speak is like a seed planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. Over time, these seeds take root, grow, and shape the reality you experience. Whether you realize it or not, you are constantly creating with your words. The question is, are you planting seeds of abundance and success or seeds of doubt and failure? Words are not just sounds. They carry vibrational energy that influences your thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you speak positivity, confidence, and success, you nourish the soil of your life with the right conditions for growth. But when you constantly affirm struggle, limitation, or fear, you cultivate a reality that reflects those very things. Consider this: a farmer does not plant weeds and expect a harvest of wheat. Likewise, you cannot speak words of lack and expect a life of abundance. If you constantly say, I can't, I'm not enough, things never work out for me, you are watering the weeds of limitation. Instead, choose words that build, empower, and uplift. I am capable. Everything is aligning in my favor.